Understanding Drop the Argument, a guide to everyday English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase in English, drop the argument. This phrase is used frequently in everyday conversations, and understanding it can really help in both listening and speaking English effectively. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning and usage of drop the argument. Drop the argument is an idiomatic expression in English. To drop something usually means to let it fall from your hands. However, in this context, it doesn't refer to a physical object but to an abstract concept, an argument or a disagreement. When someone says to drop the argument, they are essentially asking to stop discussing a contentious or disagreeable topic. It's often used to avoid further conflict or when the speaker believes that continuing the argument is pointless or unproductive. This phrase is particularly useful in situations where a conversation is turning into a heated or unconstructive debate. Here are a few scenarios. In personal relationships, when a discussion with a friend or partner is escalating into a fight, one might say, "Let's drop the argument and talk about this calmly later." In professional settings, at work, if a discussion is going nowhere, a colleague might suggest, "I think we should drop the argument and move on to the next agenda item." It's important to use this phrase carefully as it can sometimes imply that you are dismissing the other person's viewpoint. The tone and context when using drop the argument are crucial to avoid offending someone. Sometimes, you might want to convey the same meaning without using the exact phrase. Here are some alternatives. Let's agree to disagree. This suggests acknowledging the difference of opinion but moving past it. Let's put this discussion on hold. This implies pausing the argument with the possibility of revisiting it later. Can we change the subject? A direct request to switch to a different topic. That's all about drop the argument. Remember, understanding such phrases not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps in smoother and more effective communication in English. I hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing, and you'll find yourself becoming more and more fluent in English every day. See you in the next video.